Assalamu alaikum, friends. I hope you all guys will be fine. So again, I am here for a very special video. So don't miss any step of this video and watch it till end. Otherwise, you will be responsible if you will skip this video. So without wasting the time, let's start the delicious recipe. Take few cups cooking oil. Add 2 large onion. Fry it until golden brown. Add beef. Now add few pieces of garlic. Fry it all low to medium flame. All whole spices. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Then add few tomatoes. Add some water. Cook it for 30 minutes. You can easily check that it had become so soft. Add black pepper. Also add some salt. Mix it well. Black pepper. Now add some water. Now add green chili. Add 1 to 2 kg rice. Garam masala and black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons white vinegar. Add whole round red chili. Cook it until water absorbs. Finally, it is ready to eat. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Inshallah, we will be met in next video. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.